Hello guys, welcome back to Satisfactory Plus. Oh yeah. Let me try to remember what I was doing the last time. Yes, we had a big exploration run. We discovered quite a few new recipes. And we got our hover pack. That's the big thing. Yeah, and I said I'm gonna work on steel. Now I think we finally have everything we need to start working on steel. So let me just quickly check. Yes, this is new. You haven't seen this. I promised I will be working on this zinc mine here, because this is just quickly hacked together to feed zinc, crushed zinc, into this copper factory over there to be able to do brass. But then I saw there is another deposit of larosite, or how it's called, or over there where you see this mine in the distance, which is pure. And this one down there is normal. So I was thinking about this. Happened after the stream yesterday when I was doing some revision, and I didn't want to record this because this is just a regular job of making just a mine with a few machines here, 2 crushers, sorter, few smelters, just to get this these nice zinc ingots that we also may need for something, and these simple 2 machines that are working zinc plates. And there is also possibility to expand this if needed. Why all this? Because I plan to completely repurpose this place with this mine. I have zinc here coming. I can cross over to the copper factory this zinc for brass production. And I will need sand. Here we have sand and we have stone, gouge. This will be needed for steel production. This is one of the reasons why this mine is here. As you can see, I connected this. This is a very nice pure larosite mine that producing 120 per minute. So we have that sorted, and now I think that our power is good. Yeah, this is our current consumption. This dark gray line. This blue line is the maximum with all machines turned on. This is maximum of power I can spend, and this is obviously our power capacity. So we are very good. We are at a third or 1/4 of the available power. So this is good. Now I want to start making this steel. I was looking at this place. I made some plans how this should look. At the moment, I think I should get rid of these lines here. These lines are wrong and just taking up space. So let me quickly just remove this. And then we will see what to do next. Yeah, okay, this can stay. So one good thing about our exploration run last time is that I found a recipe. I researched it in the MOM. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Quick diversion. I did some research, while off screen. I'll show you what. power slugs, I did this thing because I got my zinc plates and I was looking at this thing and there is overclocking. And this is a good thing because it enables me to set machines more precisely, production and everything. That means by default every machine is working at 100% when you build it. For example, this machine here. Default is clock speed 100%, and this is locked like with this plate and key. You don't have even this thing until you unlock the overclocking. And one good thing is you can reduce the machine production speed, and then instead of 10 I'm producing 4 per minute at 40% obviously. So you can set your machines very precisely. They logarithmically require less power. For example, at 50% this machine is requiring, yeah, he's not showing it now, but it would drop from 15, it would drop to like 6 or even 5. So basically, if you are short on power, you can have several machines clocked down. It's something like a graphics card. You undervolt to the machines. But it's a useful stuff. So this is very useful. Then I'll show you what I did here. Here, for example, you see this washed iron. I don't need more than 40. So I set the machine to 40. It dropped down to 66%. This was like a normal, you know, but you can set it to produce 40 per minute. Then he automatically clocks it down. So two machines are now making 80. Why 80? Because this machine takes 80, for example. So there is no point in having two machines each producing 60 when you need 80 at the end. You can even squeeze through with one machine by overclocking it if you have this power shards, but we don't have them yet. So you can even overclock a machine, but then it also exponentially needs more power. So when it is downclocked like this, it uses 4.4 megawatt instead of, I don't know, 10 or something. So I tuned up these things a little bit, so this machine is taking also producing a little bit less, and this machine is also clocked down. Oh, why is clocked down? Because of this 120 per minute. This is the fastest belt I have at the moment. So there is no need for this machine to produce more than 120 per minute. But this can be also raised later. I also did this for this block. This block is also downclocked a bit. And this is what I did off the stream. And now we discovered this new recipe. I think it's a recipe for steel without carbon, because I don't have carbon here. And the closest mine is there behind this lake. I was scouting this place a bit, so it's quite far to pull the conveyors or from here, but it's 700 meters. That's a bit too long. I mean, it can be done, obviously, but it's better to do it with cars or something, but we don't have cars any yet. So I decided to go with this alternate recipe. I will show you. We need flexible blast furnace. So if you want to produce steel, obviously you need this carbon powder and molten iron. And quite a lot of steam to produce 40 molten steel per minute. But there is an alternate recipe that don't require carbon powder. And this is the alternate direct steel. So this actually requires ingots. So this machine probably resmelts these ingots. It also requires steam and air. And this is very interesting. It produces quite a lot of molten steel, 60 per minute, and produces this flue gas, which is actually just CO2 or something. Something bad, but you have this flue stack, so you basically just get rid of this. So this is actually what I want to do, and now we cleared some room here. We made some room, and I'm thinking about putting this machine somewhere here where I just put it, but I need to bring air, and for air you obviously need this air collector. Yeah, how will this work? I don't have a clue. Let me have the drone bring me some more these modular frames. Yeah, okay, let's just start building, because I will never do anything if I will look too much. So this machine needs to be fed I don't know, put it here. Ah yes, need to be fed these ingots, which is this machine producing 120, and I think 120, yeah. But we also need these gases. We need steam, right? Yeah, we can take steam from this gray pipe. This gray pipe is steam. Yeah, and we need air. Okay, let's say we bring air here somehow. Now let's try it like this. Above this pipe. Yeah, here. And let's pull this air a bit like through here, and use the pipe above this pipe. Yeah, something like this, and use a different color. Something like light blue, yeah, so we know this is air. Okay, so I bring air here, for example. And I go down here. Yeah, something like this. Actually, I should go underground. Let's see if we can get down here. Yeah, yeah, this doesn't get in the way. Okay, let's say something like this, and then I bring this stuff around for the machine. Yeah, this looks okay, but yeah, something like this. Yeah, but I won't use all, and I won't use just... Okay, let's put a smart splitter here. There, smart splitter. And this needs to be Mark II belt. Yeah, okay, a smart splitter. And let's say I want none here, yeah, overflow. I want overflow to go left. So if anything remains, I want to go left. And I want this taken out of here. Yeah, this is too low, this is okay. And then I need to change this. Yeah, you see how it's easier to build here, to build with this power pack than without it. It's just... Yeah, okay, so now this is clipping a bit. Okay, I can remake this to look a bit better. Yeah, like this. Oh. This is good. Yeah. Okay, so we send overflow up there. And it joins with this stuff and this stuff. Then I have to do something with this stuff. I don't know what. I send it towards this place. Yeah, like this, and I remove this stuff. And let's say I send it to... here. Yeah. Yeah, okay, we will need to replace this with even faster belts later, but it's okay for now. So we still have our supply of ingots, and we have ingots coming here for making into steel. That seems okay to me. Now we have air here. Wait, can I move this guy a little bit more to the left? Yeah, I don't know, let's have you here. Can I connect the air now, for example, here? Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, okay, we have air in the machine and we need steam, right? Yeah, can I steal some steam here? Yeah, is this looking any better? Yeah, it's kinda hack, but okay. Yeah, okay, let's say now we have actually all the materials here. Direct steel, no power. Oh, we don't have air. Okay, what to do with this air? I can probably make an air machine here. Let's say extend this air collector. Yeah, okay, let's put you here. I don't know, like this. Yeah, okay, just for the test. Okay, let's connect to this guy. Oh. What are you doing? You're doing 36 of air per minute, so height bonus. Collectors in range 0, mouse 0, 20 megawatts. Is 36 enough? Well, probably is. Oh, it's not. We need 2. Can I place 2? Then this will have to be done differently. Now let's say like this. Well, let's see. Ah, good. Now, what's happening now? Huh? 12? What the hell? Oh, because they're like close. That's what I get a penalty. Yeah, but this is not a penalty. This is ridiculous. They both drop to 1/3. What the hell? From one machine that's producing 36, 2 machines next to each other producing 24, both together. Who made this stuff? This is not how air intake works, guys. Air pressure is quite high, you know, you can have as much as you want next to each other. Yeah, for these windmills, this power thingies, wind generators. Yeah, they create turbulence, and this can greatly reduce efficiency when you put them close together. That's known thing. But for air intake, this is just ridiculous. I don't know who made this stuff. Don't know anything about physics or fluid dynamics. You wouldn't get any penalty for air intake. Yeah, okay, so obviously I have to move one machine away. And put it on the other side. Oh yeah, I can get rid of this concrete mixer, so you'll have to redo this logic all over again, because this is badly done. I mean, it was good while it was working, But I cannot spare so much stone anymore. Basically just need to remove this stuff. Yeah, I can put one collector here, I don't know. Air collector, where are you? No, so here, I don't know, here. Yeah, man, on this power is all wrong. Yeah, okay, whatever. Now, where you? Yeah, he's now working 36. And the first guy is probably working 36, and that's enough air, I think. That's 72. And this machine needs how much? 75, yeah, that's okay. Steam, oh yeah, we need steam. Okay, let's say that we have steam and iron ingots, and we have this flue gas. Oh. Yeah, we actually have two new products, flue gas and steam. But this flue gas will also be outputted by a reformer that will be working on steel ingots, and I must see where to put that. Because I have no use for molten steel, I need ingots. This is having inputs on this side. Now green are outputs. Inputs he will need. What will he need? Well, let me check. To make cast steel ingot. To make ingots he will need gauge, he will need molten steel and air. And he will produce flue gas and cold slag. Yeah, molten steel and air. Yeah, if I go with molten steel high up, this will not be very good. And this is occupied by a red pipe. Yeah, this is not ideal situation to go on this side. Wait, let me just... No, I need brass pipes, okay. You drone, bring me brass pipes. Yeah, but I actually wanted to turn him around. Yeah, like this, maybe. That would be okay. No, I put it somewhere here. So he will output the flow gas here. And then we can bring that in front. And he will take the steel here in front and air. Steel and air, right? He needs steel and air. Yeah, steel and air is there. Yeah, damn it, it should have gone with the air on this side. It would be better to go in front with the air. But where to go with flue gas then? Yeah, you know what, let's go like this, I don't care. I'll never finish this if I will. Yeah, let's just go with pipes here, I don't have a clue anymore. Yeah, let's something like this. Just pull the remaining pipes here. Now, for example, I'll need this steel. Let's say we make steel here. Let's say we color the steel. Yeah, let's go with black for steel. He will output steel on the right side, probably. So I go like here for the steel. And I go with this gas. This waste gas, I go here. Oh, I also go with some different color, I don't know. Pink, purple, whatever it is. Yeah, you will output gas and steel and yeah, that looks okay, more or less. And yeah, this guy will need to output this waste also. Can I go like this? How would that look? Yeah, okay, we have gas now, and he needs more stuff. He needs, yeah, he obviously needs steel. And air, he will need air, right? Yeah, and also air on the other side of mine. Yeah, he let me snap on this side, but he doesn't let me snap on this side, yeah. Okay. There you go, it's steel. And also need to bring air. Okay, and there you have your air, you have your flue gas, and you have your... Oh, you don't have... Yeah, watch. I'm actually doing this silly stupid, but yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. The cost difference is negligible, but it is a bit more complicated. But okay, whatever. I don't really care. And now he needs this this stone also, right? So let's just go with this stone somewhere. Let's pass through here. I don't know anymore. Yeah, something like this. And I'll probably need to have another machine down there. So I should use the splitter, right? Splitter. Yeah, but where? Here? Yeah, imagine building this without a hover pack. I mean, of course, you do it, of course, but you don't like need half an hour extra and a lot of nerves to set up similar to this without without discomfort of flying around and seeing everything. Yeah, what I'll do with power here? Let me just look like power poles. Oh, wow. Oh, this is not straight. Look at this. Oh boy, I made an error. And quite a serious one. Yeah, okay, I want to change it now. But yeah, this is a serious error in engineering. Yeah, I'll fix it later off stream, but for now, let's just go with power here. And then somewhere here, maybe. And continue down there. Oh, but I said I'll need another machine, right? Yeah, I'll need another machine, definitely. Yeah, put it here. Yeah, should be okay. And this machine and this machine. Now let's check if this is working. And will I have enough steam? Oh, yeah, okay, let's check it. Okay, he's taking air, he's taking steam. Yeah, he's having trouble with steam. Yeah, but how much they're making? They're making like 40 steam and 40 steam. I see what's the problem. This is not emptying fast enough because I put a slow belt here. I need fast belt here. And here. And this also need to be fast. Oh, I'm not getting rid of flue gas. That's the problem, okay. So I can leave you on, actually. Yeah, okay, and what to do with this flue gas? Flue gas, I need cooling platform, right? Okay, let's put you here. Let's just quickly connect you to flue gas stack. Without too much fuss. Yeah, okay, he's getting rid of his flue gas, good. Molten steel. Okay, he's getting enough air, he's getting enough steam. Okay, he's not emptying properly. Why? Because this is full of steel and coal slug. Oh yeah, I can get rid of coal slug. I have this underground belt. What was it called? On colds, right? This? One coal less. To get rid of this, yeah. This is actually working better than I expected, okay. Yeah, can I do some magic trick here? For example, like this. Yeah. Okay. How the hell I'm gonna get steel out of here? Use underground, of course. Ah, okay. Here we go. Yeah, this setup now causes trouble, you see this, but nevertheless we'll pretend that it doesn't exist. Yeah, but this will be trouble later. Yeah, let me just quickly fix this. Because I must fix this, because it's getting me mad. Is this good? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, we have a black pipe with steel coming here, right? like this. Yeah, and purple pipe with this thing. Yeah, coming here, and I can do... Actually, to be even more precise, I can do... here. One here and one here, okay. And then I need to connect these guys. Yeah, with this. Oh yeah, and this guy will need air. Oh damn it. You see how silly I've done this? This is horrible. So badly done. But okay, we will think of something. Yeah, but would this even be possible? This wouldn't be enough air for this machine. Because he needs like 30 air, and he needs 30, and he needs 60 and 75. That's 160 and 6, 7 is 135. And I'm making like 36 and 36, 72. Yeah, I need one more machine, damn it. Where should I put it? We must not be close. Can I like put it somewhere crazy like here? Don't have a clue. I hope this is not close, too close. Yeah, put you here like this. And then I don't know. Put like a junction here. Yeah, something completely crazy like this. Yeah, okay, he's not too close. Seems to be working fine. So I'm getting like 100 now. That should be enough air for these two machines to work. Okay, I'm getting steel, good. I should just get this steel now into a nice awesome sink somewhere here. And then I can use it later if I need. I mean, I will need. So this steel should be coming here. And can I just somehow pass through here? No, I can't. Yeah, I'll just go with underground belt. So let's say okay, input and output. And we should rename this to one steel ingot. And we should connect all this with fast belts. And we should power you. And you should be getting steel. Yeah, and this is still too slow belt for this. This is a massive production now. Yeah, they're producing like crazy now. I actually downclocked them to 60. Because that's the most my belt can take, 120. So downclock them to 60, and now they need like molten. Okay, molten still is okay. I'm producing much more than I need. I'm producing 60 and I need like 40. Okay, set it to 40 for the moment. Set it to 40, we'll increase it later. So yeah. And these two machines should not back up because... Why is this slow again? I need Mark II belts. Damn it. Yeah, this is better. But it is still too slow. These guys are just producing too much of this stuff. Yeah, steam is a bit weak, but I think we are okay. There we go, guys. We have steel ingots producing. Oh. But this will be not enough. 25 and 25 per minute crushed gauge actually should improve this line to Mark II. Not be sorry later. Yeah, upgrade this line to Mark II. Do you even have materials? Probably have. Yeah, okay, now we have full Mark II line. Good. Oh. Ah, flue gas. Is this enough to get rid of it? Yeah, these guys look like he's struggling. Actually, he's keeping up. 75, okay, he's managing 75 flue gas. I have 30 here, and I have 20. Yeah, just barely. Yeah, but I need more of these machines here later. So maybe better to do them now. Not be sorry later, I don't know. Should I just... make 2 machines here and so I can forget about it. Yeah, what do I need? I need this platform. Right. Why? I need 2 machines here. They need some pipe. And how the hell I'm gonna connect this, I don't know. I maybe put this floor thingy, where was it? Oh, floor hole. Pipeline floor hole. Or just simply go here directly, I don't know. Let's see how that would look. Not very smart. Actually could be even okay, but if I do it properly. Oh, why the hell not? Do it like this and be done with it. Whatever. So we don't need this anymore. Yeah, they don't need power, that is good. Well, these guys are actually working. Everything seems okay. Air, steel, good, good. See working, yes. Okay guys, we have steel production up and running. We already have quite a few steel ingots. Look at this place now. Yeah, this could have been done better, but I will not worry that much anymore for aesthetics, you know. I do some basic level of aesthetics. I know this is a mess, a spaghetti mess. But it's okay, it's a part of the game. To be tangled up in all these conveyors and everything. And I will use these underground belts are great. I will not punish myself by not using them when I have feeling that I need them, you know. That's it, that's simply it. I'll try not to abuse it, but I will use them if they come in handy. Like in this case, you know, I don't know where to pass now. I can build around above these pipes, but there is no need. I just use the belts and be done with it. It complicates a little, but okay. Yeah, okay, now what do I do this time? Still, I don't have a clue. What can I do with these steel ingots? Yeah, I can... Oh, yeah, I can make beams. Foundry, okay. And I can make pipes with sand. Would you look at this? Okay, so let's say I don't need that much, so I go with like slow belts. This will be, for example, zinc ingots. So I bring them like here. I don't know, this is horrible, but okay, it should work. Yeah. Can I bring these ingots? Do I have smart splitters here? Actually, I don't, but yeah, okay, you guys have done enough of these plates. Don't do them anymore. I think I have enough of these plates, yeah. I don't have a clue for what I will need them, but okay. $24, $64, $24, oh god. I should have all four making 16, like... Yeah, okay, doesn't matter now. Yeah, okay, let's say I brought this thing here, and now what the hell I do with it? I wanted to... okay. Okay, I should get my zinc here, and then what? Then I should have at least 2 foundries doing this stuff. Let's set 2 foundries. Okay, let's say... Oh. I'm missing iron sheets. Come on, drone, do your job. Yes. There you go. We have steel beams, guys. Yeah, I got some steel beams somewhere stashed. Let's have the drone bring them. So I'll put them all in here. Yeah. Oh, the other guy is not getting zinc, of course. Yeah, why am I with power? Good. And now I still have to squeeze in somehow the production of steel pipes. Yes, and for steel pipes I will need sand. And ingots, right? Yeah. And how I'm gonna go through here with sand, I don't have a clue. I can go with mid-belt here. Yeah, why not? Okay, for example, I put a lift here. Something like this. This is horrible, but okay. Then I push this sand here and I move it on the half belt. I said half belt, yeah. Yeah, actually I can do it like this, yeah. And then just later I will remove this. Yeah, okay, let's say it's a tightly packed factory. I shouldn't feel bad about myself. We all been through spaghetti mess. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's say I go with this sand over here, and then what the hell I'm doing? Do I still need foundries for this stuff? Yeah, wait, let me see what I needed. Foundries. Yeah, should I need foundries? Yeah, cast steel pipe foundry. But I saw this now. Oh yeah, but these rods are made in... Actually, I have two ways to make these rods. This one within foundry or directly for a molten steel. Look at this. Steel and water. Yeah, I will also need to set this up. It'll probably be here. Steel and water. Yeah, I got water down there. Yeah, I can move this air pipe somewhere, okay? This is gas, this is not a problem. Then just sit another guy here. Reformer. Yeah, okay, let's do pipes now. Then I'll think about it later. Okay, so let's put like two foundries here. Can they fit here? Yeah, I think they can. probably have to move this guy a bit. Okay, let's say I put 2 foundries here to make these pipes. It's so stupidly done, but okay, whatever. Now, okay, and then I go with this guy, good. Yeah, and then I go with like this. This and this, and then I go with this, and I can actually go from this side, yeah, why not? So I put splitter here, like this. This and this. Yeah, and this is for the sand. Yeah, not even this is good. But okay, let's say it's okay. And then what? And we simply climb it up. Yeah, this is ugly. This is just crazy. Still. Yeah, I will have to remove this later somehow, because this is bad to be here. Okay, let's say this is okay. Oh yeah, this guy. Oh, they're missing screws. Yeah, okay. That seems almost okay. Yeah. There they go. Ah. We have our steel pipes, guys. This is a mess, just horrible. I started okay, but I ended up badly. I'll probably reorganize this a little bit after the stream, yeah. But now I think we can open some future important research or something. Yeah, this is not going very fast, but okay. Because actually none of this stuff is actually needed for industry. It's just needed for research and building and everyday use. You know, you just have a stack of pipes in your inventory and you send the drone to bring the new ones when you need them. This is not like it's needed for some heavy only heavy industry here will be these assembly parts as much as I can see. So yeah, it shouldn't be too much of a trouble to produce enough of this stuff. Why is this going so slowly? Or are they like making super 45 and 45? Oh, that's a problem. Let's speed you up then. Yeah, I should definitely make a priority the research tier 3 logistics now. Yeah, this is all working, this is all nice. It's a little bit messy, I need to work on this stuff a lot, obviously. But the things function at the moment. It's a temporary base. It's just a temporary base. Yeah, I'm still producing much more than I can spend. Yeah, this machine is constantly full of ingots. This guy is, yeah, making molten steel. Probably more than I can use. And these two are doing the main stuff. Oh yeah, and I need to do something with this cold slag. Yeah, I will need to start producing concrete again, but I have like gazillions of concrete laying around, so I'm not worried about that. But this cold slag can be turned into concrete. Also with this ganj. in combination with this ganch, dirty slag concrete actually produces quite a lot in assembler. So this is how you get rid of this stuff. Yeah. I think we're doing a good job. Oh yeah, I needed the rods. I wanted steel rods. So basically just need molten steel, right? Yeah, this is produced in a reformer. Yeah, there it is. How much these bolts need? These bolts need like 12.5. Oh yeah. Yeah, I should have this machine. Basically need water. And get a little bit more steam, good. Yeah, I see no greater trouble with that. I can do them. Maybe even have two machines, somehow stuff them somewhere in here. But I'm running out of space here. But yeah, okay, I can hack in these rods now with this foundry, and yeah. Yeah, I'll just quickly do the machine here. Try to push it into this hole here. Would it fit here? Yeah, it should fit. Yeah, okay, but no, I'm going to do that next time or some other day or off the stream. I don't feel like more building today. I think I done enough building today. I'm just gonna wait a bit for this stuff to... Yeah, to have just like 2 stacks and just go and see what I can unlock. Maybe I can unlock something new now. Or maybe I'll probably need more bolts. Yeah. Oh yeah, this guy is making bolts good. Yeah, we hacked this just quickly for research purposes when I needed this pack. Yeah, okay, let this work. Yeah, why not? But yeah, this factory, this is a respectable steel and iron factory now. I mean, I have everything up there. So let's see what we can do here. Yeah, Xeno-Basher. This is a good melee weapon for killing flies and... Yeah, let's research this. Yeah, it's nice to have everything. Okay, let's see how can we make it. Xeno-Zapper, Xeno-Basher. Oh, I can do it. I can make it right now, good. Okay. So this Xeno-Basher, I should throw this away. I should use this. Yeah, like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a strong and good weapon. It's nice to have it. Okay. Oh, I should, yeah, I can fly now. I should do this line properly. You know, I want to delete all this stuff here. And then I want to raise this line above ground level. At least it goes that it goes above this stone here. And then I want to aim it down somewhere in between these two mines. Actually, exactly like I'm looking now. This is this power plant, and there is a mine down there, probably. So aim it something like this to make a maximum use of this field, and then I can run trains down or cars or whatever I need. Just raise the entire factory up. So this is some sort of plan for the future. Well, I should maybe collect some of this. Actually, I should send a drone. Yeah, drone will bring me my reanimated sand. Yeah, that should be down. If you remember, we made a little sand factory down there. Here he comes. Okay. Yeah, I should also research that. Yeah, okay, let's research stuff. And I have all these Mercer spheres and everything. Okay, this guy is returning. Where is he? Oh, he returned. Yeah, okay, Mk.3 Logistics. Ah, yeah, I said this is a priority. Yeah, okay, we have all that. I think we have all that. Okay, brass pipes and stators. Brass pipes. Ah, there. Stators, they should have around quite a few of them from our voyage. There you go. As much as you want. There are your stators and there are your pipes. Great. New parts, new buildings, new vehicles. Oh. Yeah, okay, so now we can... Yeah, let me see what I need for this Mk.3 belts. I need brass belt drive and yeah, I need steel, good. Steel and rods. Bring me some more rods. What do I need for this brass drive? Smooth belt drive. Oh, I can't make it like this. Brass belt drive. Oh boy, I need to cast it. Look at this. Cast it with stators. From brass and air. Incredible. Stator. That will be using brass. Now let's try to change color of this into something a bit different. And now we have this color and we should have like something like this. Yeah, actually this looks better. Yeah, this is brass, okay. We should also have this brass here. And water, probably, yeah. Yeah, what I said, no, I said I wanted brass bell drive, molten brass, air, no, air, I need air. Air and stators. Yeah, okay, I will get stators here by hand. How much air does he need? I don't know. Let's just hack it in here somehow. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, he needs full machine of air, look at this. Yeah, okay, and then he should like deposit them. Yeah, what should I do with these stators? actually shut you down. Yeah, while I'm waiting here, I should make a few of these stators. I don't know, I'll leave them here. Because I don't think I'll need too much of this stuff. Yeah, I just hack this in for a moment. Where are the stators? Can I make stators? Oh, I can, but I need thin wire. Thin wire. I need thin rods. Yeah, I should automate this somehow. Yeah, why I'm lazy to automate this? Because this should be done on the line, you know, you need stators for a lot of different stuff. And now I'm basically just hacking it. Because I'm lazy to do that now, because I will have to kill it later. And since I have to wait for this to fill up a little bit with these Raspberry drives, I'm going to take them now. And I have this one critical line up here that needs to be upgraded to tier 3. And that's this here. Yeah. That's the one. And there. And there. Oh boy, this is wonderful to watch. Yeah, I'm searching around the factory where else would I benefit most from these tier 3 belts. Oh, I know a place. A place here with these screws, yeah. Like here. I know exactly. Yeah, actually here and here. So yeah, if I, for example, now I take these screws, and then this machine should empty fast. Yeah. Yeah, let's just hack this thin wire here. It shouldn't be too difficult to make. So they need like thin rods. Should make thin rods here. Yeah, actually this wire here is wrong. Should just transfer all this wire to a personal box. But I need plates. Oh, come on. Go fast, bring plates. Yeah. And then like make a thin rope here. No, what I'm doing, I forgot how to properly do the... Yeah, I should have a faster line here. Yeah, you make thin rods, and then I make what? Thin wire here in an assembler, alright. What we said is just a hack. So I have like rods. Thin rods and plain wire. Oh, only 15. That means you will be working on 25%. Yeah, only 15. No, you're getting 15 rods. That should be around probably 33.3. Yeah. Yeah, this is enough for me. Yeah, this is a hack. So what? No, we're still making them. Yeah, but let's do a little bit more of a research and then we will end the episode. We did a good job with this steel. It's producing, it's working. Yeah, this all... Yeah, okay, we'll worry about that later. Maybe I'll do it off stream. Tidy up the thing a bit more. Yeah, making these bolts here, and this also needs to be addressed. Okay, let's see what I can research. Actually unlock Digby tool. Oh yeah, so this is this key thing that helps you with this is a mod that helps you with when you have vehicles to plan the routes of these vehicles, to be able to edit the routes of the vehicles and stuff like that. This is actually very useful. It's a quality of life thingy. Yeah, Digby tool. What he needs, fixed coupon and one object scanner. Oh my. Yeah, okay, we have that. Let me check how this works. MLB merge, I don't know what that is, standby, but also you can like turn on and off factories, right? Yeah, status running. Oh. Yeah, okay. Useful. Yeah, probably useful. Now. Ah, yes. Valves are very useful. Advanced power. Yeah, this is nice. A wind turbine, which we could research this and then place some of these wind turbines Mark II. But okay, I'm not in trouble with wind at the moment. Yeah, we'll need this definitely. I don't know, this looks like the most useful thing at the moment, so let's do this. And what we need, pipes and this, and okay, we'll do this, and screws, and motors. And I need the drone to bring me... Yeah, bring me steel beams. What's my name? I can name my drone. George. Level 50, he's level 50. No, not George, we should call you Fred. Okay, I researched what? I researched, oh yeah. Big industrial storage. Good. Big awesome storage. Yeah, we have these slugs, we can play with these slugs. We could actually do that the next time. Yeah, our guy is flying. What else have I got? Wait, this drone confused me. We got hardened mining head. Oh yeah, we have better pipes, yeah, and valve. Water extractors, yeah. Yeah, this is also very useful and necessary for some stuff. Yeah, I'll need to automate all this. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to... Do I have my coupons? No. I wanted to buy this advanced logistics for the pipes, like pipes... Where was that? Management. Yeah, this is also a useful thing. Yeah, these new shapes for the pipes, this looks pretty useful. Should buy this. Yeah, and maybe Clean Pipeline Mark II. Yeah, give me that. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, this is finally the end of the episode. We did a lot of stuff here. I'm pretty tired and pretty hungry. I'm going to eat something. I think we did a good job. It's still, it's a temporary still solution until we will need like, I don't know, 500 steel beams per minute. Then we will think about something more modular in blocks or something, because now in this small space I'm quite happy with this. I was afraid this thing won't fit in here, but okay. It's here, it's working, it's making stuff. We have enough for research, this is important, and then later we will do improvements on this main line, bring more or less all of this stuff down to the main line to be able to start some more serious base development than it is at the moment. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I hope to see you for the next episode, and until then, as always, stay healthy. I'm going to take a nap and I'm going to eat something. Bye.